Are you looking to boost your income and achieve financial freedom? In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to create passive income streams online. In this video, we'll share 10 effective ways to make passive income online in 2023, allowing you to earn money while you sleep, work on other projects, or simply enjoy your free time. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Our first passive income idea is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, and sign up for relevant affiliate programs. Create valuable content on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms where you can recommend these products or services to your audience. With consistent effort and high-quality content, you can build trust with your followers, leading to increased sales and a steady stream of passive income. Number 2. Online courses. The second way to make passive income online is by creating and selling online courses. Creating and selling online courses is another excellent way to generate passive income. If you possess expertise or skills in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge by developing comprehensive courses and selling them on various online platforms. To get started, choose a topic that you're knowledgeable about and passionate about teaching. Then, create a well-structured curriculum that covers all the essential aspects of your subject. This may include a combination of video lectures, written materials, presentations, quizzes, and other interactive elements to engage your students and enhance their learning experience. Once your course is ready, you can upload it to platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. These platforms host your course, handle payments, and provide you with tools to promote and manage your content. In exchange for their services, they typically take a small percentage of your earnings. After your course is published, focus on promoting it to attract students. You can do this through your website, social media channels, email marketing, or even paid advertising. As more students enroll in your course, you'll start to generate passive income. Keep in mind that periodically updating your course content and responding to student questions will help maintain its quality and relevance, ensuring continued success in the long run. Number 3. Ebooks. The third way to make passive income online is by writing and selling ebooks. If you have a talent for writing and expertise in a specific subject, creating an ebook can be an excellent opportunity to share your knowledge with a wider audience and generate income. Begin by selecting a topic that resonates with your target audience and showcases your expertise. Plan the structure of your ebook, create an outline, and write high-quality content that provides valuable insights and practical advice. Make sure to proofread and edit your work to ensure it is polished and professional. Once your ebook is complete, you can self-publish it on various platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Apple Books. These platforms allow you to reach a vast number of potential readers, set your own pricing, and earn royalties on each sale. To maximize your ebook success, invest time in promoting it. This can be done through your existing online presence, such as your blog, social media channels, or email list. You can also explore targeted advertising or collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a larger audience. Number 4. Print-on-demand merchandise. The fourth way to make passive income online is by selling print-on-demand merchandise. This involves creating custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and using a print-on-demand service like Printful or Printify to handle manufacturing and shipping. Set up an online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy and promote your products through social media or targeted advertising. As customers place orders, the print-on-demand service will handle the rest, allowing you to earn passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Number 5. Stock Photography and Videography. Our fifth passive income idea is selling stock photography and videography. If you have a talent for photography or videography, consider selling your work on stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5. Upload your high-quality images or footage, add relevant tags and descriptions, and earn royalties each time someone purchases your content. As your portfolio grows, so too will your passive income potential. Number 6. Investing in dividend stocks. The sixth way to make passive income online is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, providing a steady stream of passive income. Research and invest in companies with a strong track record of dividend payouts, and consider using a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to automatically reinvest your dividends, compounding your earnings over time. Remember to diversify your investments and consult with a financial advisor to minimize risk and maximize returns. Number 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Our 7th passive income idea is participating in peer-to-peer lending. This involves lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper in exchange for interest payments. As borrowers repay their loans, you'll receive regular interest payments, creating a steady stream of passive income. Be sure to diversify your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk, and research each platform's lending criteria to ensure you're making informed decisions. Number 8. Create a mobile app. The 8th way to make passive income online is by creating a mobile app. If you have a unique idea or solution to a common problem, consider developing an app for smartphones or tablets. Hire a developer or learn to code the app yourself and monetize it through in-app purchases, advertising, or a subscription model. Once your app is live in app stores, promote it through social media, online forums, or targeted advertising to attract users and generate passive income. Number 9. YouTube channel. Our 9th passive income idea is starting a YouTube channel. Create high-quality, engaging video content in a niche that interests you, and build an audience by consistently uploading new videos. Monetize your channel through YouTube's partner program, which allows you to earn ad revenue based on your channel's views and watch time. As your channel grows, you can also earn passive income through sponsored videos or merchandise sales. Furthermore, you can incorporate affiliate marketing by promoting products or services relevant to your niche and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Number 10. Renting out digital assets. The 10th and final way to make passive income online is by renting out digital assets. This can include leasing unused domain names, offering advertising space on your website, or even renting out your social media accounts for promotional purposes. List your digital assets on platforms like Flippa and set your rental terms and pricing. As clients rent your digital assets, you'll generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. And there you have it, 10 effective ways to make passive income online in 2023. With the right strategy and dedication, you can create multiple income streams that will help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So why not start today and begin your journey toward a more secure financial future? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on making money online. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time,